move! Secure those chains!
We need to tie down the starboard side before that wave hits.
Hold tight, watch the wave! Steady! Pin is out!
Bridge, ballast systems engaging. Roll stabilization reading at 10 degrees and correcting.
Copy that. Engineering. Maintain pressure.
Secure that hatch now. It's locked! Control, this is damage 1. Main engineering sector is zebra set. Hold, wait for the deck! Stand by for touchdown. Move in, move in! I'm almost there. Pressure is stabilizing, maintain RPMs. Holding steady. Transfer on my mark, ready. Sats are holding, but his pressure's low. Get him secured quickly.
This clearing is holding steady. I want the recovery cycle initiated immediately. All squadrons, prepare for launch sequence Alpha.
We need that gear secured now. Hitting the main strut bolt.
Adjusting intercept course to Sector 7 Gamma.
We've got stress fractures on the fuselage joints. Logging it now.
Stabilizer mounts are clear, but check the starboard tie-down point again.
Bridge, this is Lookout. I have a visual on a large metallic object in the water, bearing 300.
The recovery attempts took their toll. I'm feeling the strain in my neck and shoulders.
I can see that. Try to rest when you can. And make sure you're pushing water, not just coffee.
Line 1, heave, aye, hauling. Steady tension, probe engaged, stand clear.
Power, a little power.
Keep up, Smith. You're scrubbing like a civilian. Funny. Wait, hold it. I got metal.
All right, Doug, slow your push on the port side. Bridge, prepare the forward starboard mooring team. We are making the final approach.
Pull! Credentials, please. Here is my authorization. Thank you. You are cleared to board. There they are. I see them. We made it. We finally made it home.
Steady. Steady.
Bridge, lookout port 2. Contact, bearing 290, merchant vessel, 10 miles.
Check the resistance across the connection point shown in Figure 4.
It's within tolerance now. Looks like the fuel line is secure.
Copy that.
Moving to the next coupling.
Dragon 204, turn left heading 090, descend and maintain 3,000 feet.
Ghost 101, you're high on glide slope, easy with the nose.
Right here, the deck is heaving up. You wait too long on the power correction and you risk snapping the gear. You have to account for the ship's movement.
Helm, IA. Steer course 045.
They performed admirably. The fleet is ready for anything the ocean throws at us.
Grid reference 39er Delta, course correction 090. Correlate with weather data.
Uploading tactical overlay now.
Hit the deck! Brace for pressure! Water on! Water on! Sweeping left to right! Alright, bring it back! Keep it coming! Steady! And stop! Hold the brakes!
Damage Control Central to Repair 2. Confirm all Zulu valves are back in normal operating status.
System sweep complete. Arrays calibrated.
Confirmed. Long-range sensors active. Strike package weight confirmed. Launch sequence initiated.
Wind speed steady. Ready for catapult shot 1. Load shifting. Watch your meters.
Holding. Power engaging.
Stabilization confirmed. Transfer complete.
Good evening, shipmates. This is the captain's 5 o'clock report.
The time is 1700. Tomorrow's forecast calls for partly cloudy skies.
It was a rough one, Master Chief. Glad we made it through.
You all handled it well. Get some rest while you can.
Sir, the Great Circle route is finalized. We have a clear path through the tranquil sea, maximizing speed for the night transit.
Engine components secured. Manifest updated.
Elevator bay is clear. Sending priority cargo to level 2.
Bridge, safety. Bow spray is within limits. Proceed with catapult maintenance. Alignment secure.
Data stream stable. High bandwidth confirmed.
Systems check green.
All right, move it forward. Watch the clearance on the left.
Standing by port wing, coming left.
Steady now, steady. Hold. Grease the windlass.
Now, aye.
Stand by for deceleration. Hey, got a little souvenir from the hole right there. Happens every time. Looks good though.
Confirmed, Liberty shuttles are authorized to dock at the pier. We have 250 sailors standing by for transport.
Look, I see my parents right there. Incredible. We actually made it home. Time. That took too long. This structural weak point right here will fail under pressure. You need to tighten these clamps simultaneously.
This green pattern indicates the pressure shift. The flight deck should be stable enough for launch within the next 90 minutes.
Shocks engaged! Tied down! Let's move!
Initiating recirculation sequence.
Thermal stabilization confirmed. All parameters green.
Aegis 1, shift sector coverage to 330. Intercept and identify.
Steam joint stabilized, pressures holding nominal.
Confirmed. Clear to launch.
Pin pulled. Continuity check complete. Ordnance armed. Ready for launch.
Bridge. Plot. Contact Sierra 1 is confirmed as a friendly merchant, clearing the area to the north.